Hi, this is Marcus here, and if you are watching this video right now, then you are probably looking to understand more about niche selection for your affiliate marketing business and how to choose the best one. Well, you are in the right place because I will explain to you exactly everything about niches in the next few minutes. So on my channel, I always release videos on tips and tricks to build a successful affiliate marketing business, so considering subscribing. Also, if you want to learn how you can fire your boss and build a successful online business, click the link below and get instant access to the free affiliate marketing bootcamp and get the 6-figure blueprint being revealed to you. So stick around and we are going to dive into niches in a while. Alrighty folks, so what is going on? So in this one, we are diving into niche selection and I want to talk about this at a couple of different levels, alright? A niche and a sub-niche. So a niche is basically just a broad market, and a big market, that encompasses a lot of smaller markets within it. So the big three niches that everyone talks about are health, wealth, and relationship. So there are probably a near infinite amount of small or smaller sub-niches which are specific markets within those broader markets. So if we take the relationship niche, for example, a couple of sub-niches that might exist within that are maybe handling divorce. Alright, it could be some advice, products or services for people who have just gone through a divorce. So that's a sub-niche within relationships. Alright. It's a situation that can arise within a relationship, result in a problem, and a sub-niche is created where a product can come along and solve that particular problem. Or maybe someone's marriage is struggling, where they are not communicating, something's broken down, the passion is kind of gone. Hence, another sub-niche within this relationship broader market is created since the problem is there and there is an opportunity for a solution to come in, and that's where a product or service is created. Alright, so basically I can continue to share some example, but I think you got the meaning here, right? So the point is, when people have a problem that they are looking for a solution, then there is going to be products or services for them to solve the problem, and that's where the money is made. Alright, so a problem and a solution, when they come together, a transaction occurs. Alright, so you solve someone's problem and they pay you in exchange. So the health niche is another popular niche. Weight loss, muscle building, diet, yoga, meditation, so on and so forth are all fall under the health umbrella. Alright, so these are sub-niches and there are even sub-niches. Alright, let's take diet as an example. Alright, diet is a sub-niche within health, broader market. And the diet sub-niche can be in fact further broken down into even smaller markets, aka sub-niches into a keto diet. Alright, so basically that really depends on how you break it up, and it's important that you understand the concept. Alright, you have got these big three niches that people are playing online, and then within those there are their sub-niches or even sub-niches with which you are probably going to start your affiliate marketing journey with. Alright, so if you are looking to start your affiliate marketing journey, so let's take a look at these big three niches and do some brainstorming about what are the sub niches that you are interested in. So maybe if you want to come along and join my journey playing in the wealth niche, feel free to check out the link in the description box below and get instant access to the affiliate marketing bootcamp to learn more. So you are very welcome to join us, and it's going to be an awesome journey to fire your boss and generate your income online as a full-time. Alright, so basically if you know what to do or how to do the things right. So if you want to go into different niche, figure out which one of those big three niches you want to go into and which sub-niche is for you. So after that, you can dive further into product selection, and just let me know in the comment section below if you want me to cover some strategies in terms of where you can go and find products, or how you can negotiate with influencers, or maybe looking at affiliate networks out there where you can look for launches as well, and I will make another video about it. Alright, So, okay, in summary, there are three big markets, that people really go into. Within those, you have got sub-niches, and then even sub-niches depending on how specific you want to get. So, you really need to, make clear on this, because knowing the niche and the sub-niche that you want to focus on, because you need this clarity in order to decide what product is going to be right for you. But remember, you can't go too deep, or we call it too niche, because you might not have enough audiences to sell to. So, and then another major drawback as well, if you stay too broad, as you are just too general, and your audiences might be confused about what you are actually selling. Alright? So, you really need to strike a balance point between the two. Alright? Not too broad and not too niche. Alright guys? So if you enjoyed this video today, please let me know your thoughts by commenting below. I also appreciate some thumbs up if you got some value today. So if you love what I spoke about and want to learn more about great strategies about how to fire your boss by building a successful affiliate marketing business, you can check out the free affiliate marketing bootcamp by clicking the link in the description box below. So that's all for now guys, and I see you all again in the next one.